Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to create the geometry for the connecting rod. So to get started, let's create a new part. So click on File, New, and then click on Part and click OK. Then we are going to make sure that we are having a millimeters based unit system. And then we are going to start by creating a sketch on the front plane. So we are going to use the circle tool, click and drag it out and click one more concentric circle, and we are going to draw two more circles, maybe slightly away from the first two circles. We can set up the distances later. Now we are going to assign the dimensions. Use the shortcut key S, select the inner circle and type in a value of 25.4 millimeters and then click OK. Let's select the outer circle, and we are not directly specifying the diameter, we just provide the offset distance of 10 millimeters. Now the center for the other two circles are going to be situated at a distance of 212.5 millimeters. Now we are going to select the inner circle on the other side, and this is where the crank is going to be located. So let's just click on that and type in a value of 43.75 millimeters. And as far as the outer circle is concerned, let's provide an offset distance instead of specifying a diameter and put in a value of 20 millimeters. The sketch is still underdefined, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the center of this particular circle and this circle and hit make horizontal. So now our sketch is fully defined. Now we are going to basically draw two lines right now. So let's just click here and maybe drag it out till this particular point, and let's hit escape. Now we are going to say that the starting point of this particular line, so basically this point and this point, are at a distance of 14.1 millimeters, right? So we are specifying the height, and similarly on this side we are going to say that the distance is going to be 21.45 millimeters. Now we are going to mirror this particular line. So click on mirror entities and let's select this particular line, and to select mirror about we are going to be selecting a plane, and let's select the top plane, and that's going to create a mirror copy of the line, and let's just click OK. Now we just need to trim off the unwanted parts. So let's go to trim entities and just trim this and this, and let's click OK. Now we are going to use the shortcut key L to create a particular line, and we are going to click a line like this, hit escape, hit L again to use the line tool, select here and select here and hit escape, and we are going to use the trim tool again, and then let's cut this particular portion. You can see that we almost got the shape of our connecting rod. Alright, so before we extrude, let's actually add a fillet for our particular components, and let's select this point and this point and this point and finally this point, and we are going to provide a value of 20 millimeters for the radius and click OK. Now let's exit the sketch and we are ready to extrude this particular shape. Let's click on extrude boss base, and we are going to be using the mid plane option. So let's make sure that we select that, and then for the distance we are going to type in a value of 30 millimeters and click OK. This is going to create the top half of our connecting rod. Now we are going to be drawing grooves so that we can assemble the piston end cap. So let's select this particular face and click on sketch, hit Ctrl and 8 to view the sketch correctly. We are going to use a circle tool, click and drag it out, and let's hit escape. We are going to select the origin and the center of the circle and apply the make vertical constraint, and then we are going to apply the dimension, the diameter for the circle, and put in a value of 20 millimeters. You can see that the sketch is fully defined. Click on OK. and we are going to be drawing an horizontal line, and we are going to be mirroring the circle that we created. I'm using the shortcut key L to draw the line, and this particular thing needs to be a construction geometry, so let's change that, and we are going to mirror the circle as I said. So let's go to the mirror entities tool, and we are going to select the top circle, and the mirror about is going to be the axis. Oh, oops, did it incorrectly. Let's delete the line and add it here. You can see that a preview appears, and there you go, we have mirrored it successfully. Now we can exit the sketch, and we are just going to apply extruded cut. So first let's use extruded boss base and type in a value of 30 millimeters, and let's reverse the direction, and then let's hit OK. Now we are going to be creating a groove cut on this particular face so that we can apply bolts later. So let's click on sketch in this particular plane, hit Ctrl 8 to view it in the right direction. And what we are going to do is fairly simple, right? So we are going to first select this particular sketch, and we're just going to click on show. Looks like it's there, but for some reason it's not visible. So we are going to draw a circle. Even though our circle is not visible, we should still be able to select the center of the circle. So let's just find that out, and we are just going to click there and just drag it out, and we are going to provide a diameter to this circle. Let's type in a value of 11.25 millimeters. Now we are going to mirror the circle just like before, and for entities to mirror, let's select the circle, and we are going to mirror about the top plane. So let's just click on the top plane and click on OK. Let's exit the sketch, and now we are going to be applying extruded cut. I know that last time I said extruded cut, but we actually did extruded boss base. I hope that makes sense. So let's type in a value of 30 millimeters for the extruded cut, and you can see that the cuts are complete. So this is where the bolts would be going in. Now we can hide the unwanted sketches. Let's just click on hide. Alright, so with that we have completed the major half of our connecting rod, right? So in the next video we'll be looking at how to create the end cap geometry. Thank you. Bye.